In this video we are talking about how to design a children's book cover. 6 points to must consider. Number 1. Select a graphic design software. To design a children's book cover, you can use graphic design software, such as Adobe Illustrator, Lunacy, etc. You can also find several free online software, such as Canva and Figma, that provides professional graphic designing experience to design a children's book cover. Number 2. Page size. Once you choose software, start by selecting a page size. Children's books are formatted with a standard page size of 10 by 8 or 8 by 8. Number 3. Book cover spine. Every book has a spine. It develops due to the thickness of pages accumulated while binding the book. The spine is the part of a book that appears when you vertically place a book on the shelf. It is important to consider while book cover designing. Number 4. Front cover. A book's front cover always contains the book's title and author's name. It's where you have to show your maximum creativity. You need to ensure that the front cover contains all the main characters mentioned in the story. Number 5. Focal point. A focal point is where the reader first catches a glance when he picks up a book. Therefore, exploiting that advantage, you need to place the text and characters in that position. Number 6. Back cover. A back cover of the book contains 3 elements: about the book, ISBN and publisher's stamp. These technical guidelines can help you learn how to design a children's book cover like that of a professional designer.